back to my channel. My name is Tay. If you don't know who I am, I'm going to get right into it, but first I just wanted to say thank you for stopping by. If you're new here and you aren't already subscribed, please click that red button down below, become a part of my little fam. I would love to have you here, and yeah, I think that's it. If you guys are curious as to how I refresh my own hair, how I touch it up by myself, then just keep watching. Okay, so we're going to mix up our lightener, and I'm using the Goldwell oxycur lightener, and I'm mixing it with 20 volume since we're only going to do a couple foils just to revive my money piece and my front pieces. So I have Wella, that's what I had at home, that's what I'm using, 20 volume and oxycur. So I like the depth that my roots are giving me right now. I just don't like this warm band from the previous baby lights that I had. So for the lightener portion, I'm only going to be doing my face framing with all my lightener and just highlighting those darker points so that it's just more like refreshed. And I'm definitely not going to attempt to highlight my hair yet. It doesn't need to, and I like the depth. So we are going to go in and I'm wondering. So my hairline is funky, but we're just going to take like probably that much, flip the rest back. So these few pieces are really sad. I'm not going to overlap these guys. I'm literally just going to feather it because my money piece is pretty grown out. And these hairs down here are sad. So I'm definitely not going to overlap, but I need to refresh it just a little bit. I don't want a super bold money piece, but that is pretty grown out. Okay, I'm going to start the process. I'm going to play some music so I can like focus and be, you know, in a good mood, doing well. But you will see exactly what I do, and I can even zoom you in on this part if it's too far away. But my hairline is at a weird angle, so it's kind of triangular. And usually stylists will go just like straight, like a normal money piece, but since my hairline is so wacky, I am going to go at an angle. So diagonal. I'll do like a couple of those, and then we'll go onto the sides, and then we'll be done with the lightener portion. Alright guys, moment of truth. It's not going to be cute at first, okay? I promise it will get better and better and better. So, don't be like, girl, what the hell did you do? I lifted really good. I'm going to take that color and go over that warm band that you guys saw earlier and in the before picture. About shades is that it's pretty forgiving, so yes, I'm doing this by myself, but honestly it's okay. Alright guys, so this is what we ended up with. I went to the salon this morning and got my extensions sewn back in. So I have long hair again. But as far as the color and the tone turned out, what do you think? It is a ashy beige blonde rather than a golden blonde, which I love both of them. But this is a vibe. It almost darkens me a little bit, which is what ashy tones do, but I'm okay with that for the winter time. So anyways, I like it. So if you guys enjoyed this little video, give it a thumbs up for me. I would really, really appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe down below for more videos to see more. I think that's all. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.